Welcome to Sophomore Swag. Good morning. It is the last day of school. I am so excited. Today I only have 2 classes. Normally I have 4 classes every day. On the last 2 days of school, they split them up where you have 2 classes on one day. So I have my first and third block on yesterday, and then I have my second and fifth block on, because fourth is my lunch, my second and fifth block on today. And what they do is, it's a half day, and each block is 2 hours, because like my certification exams, they're 2-hour exams. So yesterday I had to say goodbye to my first and third block. And then today I'm going to finish with my second and fifth block, and then I'll have to say goodbye to them. Yesterday I just had one class because my first block is my prep block. So I only had my third block for the whole day. I just had nothing for 2 hours, and then I had third block for 2 hours. And all we did was play video games. I make sure we're done with everything by school ends on Wednesday, Thursday. I make sure we're done with everything by Tuesday. And then the last day for each class, they play video games, except for my fifth block. They're taking certification exams for network. They're taking the national certification exams. So they've got a final. So on fifth block, but my second block, which will be my first block for 2 hours, they're playing video games. So that's my day today. I brought a bunch of Mr. Beast candy bars for certification block. And I told them if they pass, I'll give them a Mr. Beast bar. I'm giving it to them either way. They don't know that, but I'm going to give them a little incentive. All right, we'll be leaving in the car here as soon as Lex gets up. Right now, I'm just having a shake real fast. I used to eat something quick in the morning right now, and that's what I'm going to do. We've waited all year to get to this point, so I'm really excited. It's the last day of my first year of actually being a contract teacher. And I've got some other big news that I can't tell you yet. Some award I've won. I'm going to wait till the press is all done for that, and everyone's been notified. I'm going to do a year summary and review, like everything I did this year. It was a crazy first year for a first year teacher. Like so much happened, and I can't wait to do it all again next year. All right. We'll be in the car in a few minutes. I got to go get Lex up, and we got to get out of here. We got the last day of school ahead of us. Let's go. All right, we're in the car, ready to go. Let's see if Lex is willing to say hello. You want to say hello? Okay. Lex about as talkative as he's been all year in the morning, but it is the last day of school. All right, let's go do this. All right, we're on our way. Are we not looking, Lex? Lex is not one to be on the video. He's not a morning person. All right, working on my class here, and walk into my last day of classes today. Let's say goodbye to Lex. There he goes over there to his class, and I'm headed to mine. So first period video games. Let's see how that goes. Oh, I got to get the lights turned on here, and then I'll explain why there's nothing on my walls. Interesting story. Okay. The classroom is getting painted over the summer. So you may have noticed there's nothing on the walls. I better take everything down, and they're going to paint that orange like a sage green. The whole building's getting painted. And then the rest of the walls will just be white. So I didn't explain that, but that's what they're doing. So in some of my recent videos, the classroom just looks like bare because there is nothing here. Everything had to be taken down. All right, let's get the day started. Oh, by the way, Huggy Wuggy's here for emotional support today. We got this, right? We got this, Huggy Wuggy. Let's do this. All right, it is my first class of the 2 classes. This one's just play video games. I don't know if you can hear them, but there's like a lot going on. I might do a quick scan. I can't show the kids, but I might do a quick scan. Let me see if I can do that. We got some Pac-Man going on there. We've got Nintendo Switch. We've got Minecraft over here. We've got Wii over here. Kids playing the Wii. I make sure that all of our finals are done before the last day of school, so they can have one day, because we code all year. They can have one day where they're just playing video games, and this is what they waited for all year. So that's computer science, right? Gotta love it.
No. Let me get that bar marker. Hey, man, you beat it attack it, but you have to like be near someone.
Oh shoot! Bro, my down B is so bad.
Press, yeah, wait, Sam, press D to enter, but you have to be near someone.
What is Oh my god! Oh, you watched my winning shot! I'm gonna hit to the other side! Hit to the other side!
All right, we are headed to the parking lot. It was the craziest day. Just to get out of the building, it took 20 minutes. Everyone high-fiving me and doing those things where they put their arms up and like I walk under, like it was just crazy. So Lex and I headed to the car. I got to drop him off. Then I have to come back because someone else is taking a test for 3 hours. So that's what I'm doing now. So I'm headed to take Lex home. And just like that, the last day of school has come and gone. Wow, there was a lot going on today. I just wish I could show you like the kids in the video. They were just like so pumped up for today. And I would love to capture that and show it to you. But of course I can't really put them on camera. So my classroom is kind of empty because like I said, we're painting it. And then I'm gonna be gone to take my kids to the national conferences. I got a lot going on. But there'll be a summer school classroom in here over the summer, and I'm just trying to get ready for that. What a year. I'm going to do like a summary video of everything that happened to me this year. The things that happened to me this year were, I just kept saying to myself, is this what they're doing to a first year teacher? Like, and they expect this person to come back next year? But the kids just gave me the strength and the energy to move on. And I can't imagine doing anything else in my life. This is it right here. High school, computer science, an elective like this. And with these young people, like I'm gonna live to be 200 at this point because I can't get enough of this. All right, that's our video for today. Hit that like button, show us some love. Subscribe, you get notified every time we have a new video. I don't know how often it's gonna be, summer's here, but I still got a lot to talk about. And there's so much to tell you. Some things you're just not gonna believe. And then some crazy stuff that happened that made me question everything. So there's a lot to tell. But for now, the 2022-2023 school year is in the books, it's done, and I'm finally done with my first year of contract teaching. I absolutely loved it, and I can't wait to do it again. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.